Good morning, Coral Park Rams. Happy Tuesday.
This is Richard Molina
And Annabelle Rodriguez.
with CPTV News.
Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing for a moment of silence. You may now be seated.
Today is Tuesday, September 24th, and it's National Cherry Jubilee Day.
How does the cherry answer the phone?
I don't know how.
Cheerio.
Attention students, homecoming tickets are now on sale on OSP for $60. Our theme is Night in Venice. You must pick up a permission form in the activities office, which must be completed before purchasing a ticket.
You cannot participate if you have 10 absences, 20 tardies, or any suspensions. There will be no refunds.
Yearbooks are now available for pre-sale at $70 on yearbookforever.com. Scan the QR code on the screen to go directly to our school's page. Don't miss out. Secure your yearbook before the pre-sale ends and prices increase. This year's book will be packed with unforgettable moments you won't want to miss.
Now to junior and senior news.
The deadline for senior pictures is November 4th. Don't wait. Book your appointment now.
The date for the College Reportable School Day SAT has been moved from October 2nd to October 8th. The date to pay on OSP will be extended until Friday, September 27th, 2024. OSP will close for payments on the 27th of September. And now to lunch.
This is your daily lunch.
Good morning, Hungry Rams.
In both cafeterias, today's lunch consists of veggie burgers, chicken tenders, dinner rolls and corn, Matengo chicken, green beans or rice, pizza sticks, and sweet potato chicken.
And in the downstairs cafeteria, there is meatballs. And as always, juice, milk, and a wide variety of fruits. Have a great lunch, Rams, here at the park where the right appetite means success.
That sounds delicious.
Want to be a hero? Donate blood and save a life. We will be having our first blood drive today, Tuesday, September 24th. Scan the QR code to book your appointment now.
And now to Angie and Nicole with sports.
Girls soccer conditioning has begun. If you are interested in joining, make sure to follow them on Instagram at Coral Park Girls Soccer or reach out to Coach Yessi Perdomo.
The football team takes on Reagan this Thursday, September 26th at 3:30. Make sure to go out and support. Buy your tickets on GoFan for $10.
Girls basketball conditioning has begun. If you are interested in joining, speak to Coach Anderson or follow them on Instagram at CP Girls B-Ball. And now back to our anchors.
Thank you, Angie and Nicole.
Now to shout-outs. Shout out to Maria Felix Fernandez, the best SGA president the school's ever had, from Daniel P.
You're the best, Trimble, from your bestie, Westy.
Tallest and funniest person ever, Catherine.
Shout out to Sarah for being the GOAT.
Shout out to CPTV for CPTVing it from CPTV News.
Shout out to Jones from your most amazing class you ever know. We're the best second, period.
If you would like to make a shout out to your friends, teachers, or see a special segment on the news, scan the QR code on the screen.
Today's of the day segment is TikTok Tuesday.
Baby, I just wanna get you out the clothes. I just wanna see you dancing slow motion. We can take it.
Make sure to follow us on Instagram at CPTV News _ to stay up to date with all of our student polls.
And with that, this concludes our morning announcements.
For CPTV News, this is Richard Molina
And Annabelle Rodriguez. Have a terrific Tuesday, Rams. Here
at the park
where the right attitude means success.